Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, we are a minimalist family who is living big with the less, and today I have for you a daily cleaning routine. One of my favorite things about being a minimalist is how quickly it is to get things back set up again, ready to go, back to square one as we would say. And so if you would like to see how I keep on top of things and enjoy the benefits of minimalism, check it out. One of the big keys for me staying on top of things is to actually have everything set up from the night before. So I like to have all the toys packed away and a clean kitchen. I even set my coffee pot up at night so that when I wake up in the morning, I've got freshly brewed coffee and a dishwasher full of clean dishes that I can unstack so that we are ready to go with an empty dishwasher for the day.
But I know you're not the kind of girl that I can really trust. No, cause you do whatever you want. Baby, what about it? I walk away.
As we move into breakfast time, one of the things I find really helpful for me, especially in non-quarantine times when we've got school and activities, is to clean as I go, especially with breakfast dishes. As soon as I'm finished making it, I put it straight in the dishwasher and put things away so that I'm not left with a big mess before we walk out the door.
Being in love, felt that kind of love. Girl, I really doubt it. Another one you're thinking of. You just shake it up when we talk about it. Just one more time, I cannot fight this feeling. I can't fight it. Put your lips to mine, all that I'd ever want.
I like to get myself ready as early as possible in the day. It just sets me up for a productive day.
Baby, what about it? I walk away.
I am a huge advocate of making your bed and tidying your bedroom in the morning. I don't do it first thing, but I do like to get it done fairly early in the day. I just always think that if you get nothing else done during the day, if you can walk into your bedroom and it's clean and tidy with a made bed, it automatically feels like you've got something done and it's super satisfying.
I know it for a fact. You keep playing with
I don't know about you guys, but I feel like we are constantly in our kitchen. It's like we've just gotten over one meal and it's time to start all over again. So one thing I really like to do is just give my kitchen a quick touch up after each time we've eaten, even if it's just a few cups and plates from morning tea or some mugs, just to keep on top of it so that it doesn't get to be a big mess. We are actually fostering 2 little kittens at the moment, so part of my daily routine is to now just tidy our laundry where they have their food and their kitty litter. I just make sure I give everything a quick sweep, and then I also either steam mop the floors or just give them a quick wipe over with some disinfectant. It just makes me feel like everything's fresh and clean and ready to start again.
Break your heart. That's what other people say. I walk away. Why is it?
I like to do at least 1 load of washing every single day. Most days it's 2 or 3 loads. So if I get a load on early in the morning, I can make sure it's hung out to dry and ready to bring in the evening for me to fold at nighttime.
We've worn out the mystery. Every answer that's harder to face.
I'm a firm believer that mess begets mess, and so if you have an area that does just have a few things lying around, I find that if you just take the couple of minutes to tidy it up, it will stop less mess accumulating there, and it's clear and clean for when you walk into the room the next time.
Enough to know if it's real or a bluff. You love me like it's struggling to hold back.
Of course, there are lots of cleaning jobs that I have to do every day that I don't do every single day, that I might just do once or twice a week. But this is the list of my jobs that even on my worst feeling day, these are the things I like to keep on top of. And so a big one is my kitchen, just making sure it doesn't get out of hand, the laundry and the floors. And I find if I can do those things, the rest of it just runs so much smoother.
More than my heart and my soul, it's spun out of control. You love me like you're struggling to hold back. Then you wonder why we never last. You love me like you're walking on the moon, but you swear you'll be back soon. Yeah, you swear you'll be back soon. Yeah, you swear you'll be back soon. Looking into my heart.
At the moment, we are learning at home while our schools are still closed, and so one little job I like to get done in the afternoon after the kids are finished with their schoolwork is just a really quick tidy, putting any pencils away, resetting this area for the next day, and also just sorting out their schoolwork. So any items that are finished, I put in a folder, and then I get the new items ready for the next day.
Wonder why we never last. You love me like you're walking on the moon, but you swear you'll be back soon. Yeah, you swear you'll be back soon. Yeah, you swear you'll be back soon.
I would say that this last clean of the day is probably the most important because it sets you up for your next day. So I try and go the extra mile in this last clean. I will put all of the dishes in the dishwasher. If there's anything that doesn't fit, I make sure that I wash it and dry it and put away so that all the benches are clear at the end of the day. I also do a quick pickup as well as one last vacuum. It just means that the next day I don't come out to crumbs on the floor, I don't come out to dirty dishes, and we are reset, ready to go.
If you show me this, I'll give you that. Everything we ever wanted, and this, for what it's worth, give it a try. But if we stay like this, then you know what? Then I don't wanna seize the moment. So let's, for what it's worth, give it a try.
I also like to take the opportunity to do one little extra job. So whether it is wiping down cupboards or cleaning out my fridge and giving that a quick wipe over, just when I'm doing that last clean of the day, it just helps me to keep on top of those more deep cleaning jobs.
If you show me this, I'll give you that. Everything we ever wanted, and this, for what it's worth, give it a try. But if we stay like this, then you know what? Then I don't wanna seize the moment. So let's, for what it's worth, give it a try.
So guys, I hope you like this video. I would love to chat with you down in the comments. If you're new here, we would absolutely love you to have you subscribe and join our YouTube family. Here are some other videos we think you might like, and I will catch you guys in the next one.